What are you making today, Elizabeth, in your kitchen?
Today I thought I would whip up a little curry, Andrew, because although it's sunny outside, it's rather chilly. And
Oh look, you've got tomatoes in there to start with.
I've got my tomatoes, I'll sort of them and then I'll add my onions. And I'm thinking of doing a chicken curry, Andrew. Okay,
Fancy.
I'll get back to you later on. Bye bye.
So you've their kitchen, you've had a nice makeover.
I've actually moved kitchens, Andrew, because I'm now making a pot of soup, and it's lentil broth. It's my own concoction, and I hope you'll enjoy it later on.
Mmm, yum yum yum.
Bye bye.
So you're now in the laundry room.
The utility room, Andrew, please. We're in the posh part of Glasgow. I'm just cycling through a few things.
Yeah, look, you've got all this washing hanging up.
Yes, I know, I've been very busy, Andrew.
As well as making curry.
That's all for today, Andrew. Thank you. Bye bye.
What are you doing now?
I'm just whipping up a little sponge for the tea this afternoon, Andrew. That's it, Andrew.
Elizabeth's that tired from all her cooking that she's went to bed. Yeah. Go to sleep. Good night.